If you want to turn a regular image into a sharper, higher resolution version without a complicated workflow, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to upscale images using Leonardo AI step by step, so you can improve image quality, increase dimensions, and download a much cleaner final result in just a few clicks. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your account on the Leonardo AI platform. Once you're inside, take a look at the left sidebar and click More. This is where Leonardo keeps some of its extra tools, including the upscaling feature. After that, click on Upscaler to launch the dedicated Enhancement workspace. This opens the area where you can upload your image and adjust the quality settings before processing. Now, in the main panel, click the Add Image button. From here, you can drag and drop your image directly from your computer. Leonardo AI supports common file formats like JPG, PNG, and WebP, so make sure your file is in one of those formats before uploading. Once your image is added, you'll see the Upscaler settings appear on screen. The next step is to choose the mode. In the drop-down menu, select Pro Upscaler, which is usually the default option. This mode is designed to enhance the image while preserving as much detail as possible. Next, choose the type. If you're working with a real photo and want exact fidelity, select Precise. If you want the AI to rebuild more complex details, textures, or artistic elements, choose Creative instead. This gives you more flexibility depending on the kind of image you're enhancing. After that, adjust the multiplier using the Output Scale slider. This controls how much larger your final image will be and also increases the overall megapixels. If you want a bigger, sharper version of your image, move the slider to the level that fits your project. Just keep in mind that higher scaling may use more tokens and may take a little longer to process. Before you continue, take a moment to review the token cost shown next to the action button. This is important, so you know exactly how many tokens the upscale will use before you start. Once everything looks good, click the Upscale button at the bottom of the configuration panel. Leonardo AI will now begin the enhancement process. Wait a few seconds while the orchestration layer completes the generative refinement and rebuilds your image with more detail and clarity. When the process is finished, your upscaled image will appear ready for download. At that point, click the download icon to save the final result to your device. And that's it. You've now learned how to upscale images using Leonardo AI quickly and easily. This is a great workflow for improving old photos, boosting AI-generated artwork, or preparing images for presentations, thumbnails, social media, and print. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.